Did you know that almost every table in LaTeX starts with the tabular environment? Mastering just a few commands can help you create professional, publication-ready tables. First, define your column alignment using L, C, or R for left, center, and right alignment. Separate columns with an ampersand and end each row with. Need borders? Use line for a full horizontal line or cline to draw a line across selected columns only. For cleaner academic tables, avoid heavy borders and use the Booktabs package with top rule, mid rule, and bottom rule. This is the style preferred by most journals and conferences. Finally, if your table needs a caption or references, place the tabular environment inside a table environment, add a caption, and put the label immediately after it for accurate cross-references. These simple techniques will make your LaTeX tables cleaner, more professional, and ready for academic publication.